In Main Street, we're not normally dealing with big corporations. We're dealing with mom and pops, we're dealing with first-time entrepreneurs, a lot of solo entrepreneurs, and so we really wanted to see what we could do to make them as successful as possible, and Co-Starters has really been the perfect fit for that. I think Co-Starters has gotten a lot more people in our part of Shelby County talking more seriously about entrepreneurship and how we can support our entrepreneurs. And it's very important to us that this is a county-wide effort. Our ultimate goal is to have all of our empty storefronts in Montevallo filled, but if that doesn't happen, that's okay. If they go locate to Calero, Columbiana, or to another Shelby County city, that's great for them too, because a rising tide lifts all boats, and so we definitely want to make sure that all of the entrepreneurs in our county are well supported. You can check out information about Co-Starters on our webpage. It's under the Montevallo Main Street tab on thecityofmontevallo.com, and you're always welcome to contact me or our facilitator Maggie Hall directly.